Cory, I think you wanted to go through a real world case study of a client that reduced their close time and freed up some capacity for their finance team.
Yeah, great example here is that if we look at the real world and how these things play out, this is a mid-market manufacturing client. They're stuck in a 12-day close, consumed excessive hours. The insights were delayed. Growth decisions couldn't be made. This is a company that was staring down some great growth opportunities through merger and acquisition, but that capacity to analyze some of these companies was just not available. People were spending all this time working through a close and then working on gaining the insights. And then in their somewhat free time, they could kind of come back to this. But you want to help those companies. We went in and looked at the automation directly into the FP&A platform. We're coming in here and reconciliations, journal entries, reporting workflows, they're all streamlined with built-in controls and audit trails. And the results here were pretty dramatic. You drop the close from 12 days to 4 days. And that freed up 30% of the finance team's capacity. That was immediately redeployed into the scenario modeling for an acquisition. And here's the punchline. This wasn't just an operational improvement. This freed up capacity to directly enable strategic growth. I mean, what you're starting to see here is finance becoming a driver of strategy, not just a recorder of history. Imagine cutting your close time by half or 2/3. And then you're using that freed up time to support an acquisition. That's not theory. That's a real world transformation.